There you go. My God, this is the best angle in life. I have a rare opportunity and I'm so happy. Oh my God. The traffic depends. The traffic depends on where you're passing. But if you are passing via Gayaza Road, obviously there is always traffic from Chevando, actually from Wandegea to Chevando, and a little bit of Gayaza. There is always traffic. And then if you're passing via Mukono, the other side on Ginger Road, if you're coming to Mukono, there is little traffic until you reach Seeta. But if you are going, depending on the time, then there is traffic. You people don't know how good I feel about this day. You have no idea. This is the most rare opportunity to finally capture this eagle. I don't know if you've ever seen it. It's a unique eagle that has hair on its head. It's like the most majestic bird we probably have here. It's in the eagle family. You see that American flag, the bird, or their country's, I don't know, emblem, the bird. We have a version of that in Uganda, and it is majestic. Oh my God, that's like the most dangerous of the African eagles we have. Please be patient with me for 2 minutes. I get this footage. Oh my God. I don't know how to do this. I'm alone. I have 2 hands. But I've been looking and searching for this eagle for weeks. I have no choice but to stay put. Look at it. I think it's bald. Have you ever seen a bird that's actually bald? I think I'm looking at one right now. Sorry. Oh yeah, sorry. I don't think you can see as much. Nah, you can't see. I thought I'd share with you the experience. I'm gonna get someone to hold my camera for me. My camera is shaking. I can't get content right. Banange. Why me? Okay, there it is. It's moving. Oh, damn. What did you just do? Okay, it's gone.